The other day I was looking at my iPhone and I scrolled to the left. And if you look at there, it says 4 minutes from a Chinese restaurant and 11 minutes from Restaurant Depot. And before that, it was only saying the Chinese restaurant. And I had just got off the phone with my wife and we talked about Restaurant Depot. And then I scrolled and it was showing up. So it seemed like it tracks everything you're doing. But the only thing you have to do is go to settings. And under settings, go to map. And you click on map. And you go to locations. And you can click never. Right now it says while using the app, it's tracking everything. So it really tracks your history. So when you hit never, you go back. And I'm scrolled to the left again. You notice that all that stuff disappeared. So basically it's learning your routines, because I noticed that on Mondays and Wednesdays, it shows me going to the college. So when I get ready to go, I just scroll to the left and it tells me that I need to go to the college. So with that on, it tracks your routine and it tells you like when to go to lunch and where you're going for lunch and everything. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.